How's it going, everybody? Here I have a 2008 Hummer H2 Southern Comfort Edition. I'm at Independence Hummer in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Southern Comfort Hummer, as well as start it up, get an exhaust shot, and show a bunch of the unique features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. This Hummer also has remote start, and I'll demonstrate that later in the video. This is a unique package Hummer that you could only custom order. This Hummer has been almost completely redesigned on the interior and has the new 6.2 liter Vortec V8. $33,840 miles. You could probably tell the gauges light up almost like a turquoise green color. Very nice sounding on startup. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights, hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. Chrome tow hooks, chrome exhaust tip, Gotta love the signature Hummer front end with the chrome accessories, brush guard. And we'll go ahead and undo the hood. Like I said, it's the 6.2 liter V8 shared with the Cadillac Escalade New Generation and New Generation Yukon Denali. So I'll lower this back gently. All the door panels are redesigned in the newer generation H2s. It's got a Bose sound system, deep cargo wells. Got sort of a black brushed trim. It's kind of hard to see the brushings right now, but it has an appearance of glossed aluminum, just blacked over. And something that's specific to the Southern Comfort, all of the leather in the vehicle, whether it be on the seats, door panels, anything like that, has been completely replaced, and a special color-coded stitching. And this particular leather is a lot softer and smoother than the leather that comes in the Hummer from the factory. Extremely comfortable. Adds a lot more enjoyment to the ride. Like I said, it's very soft, very plush. The seat inserts are ostrich. Have a nice texture to them, firmness. Just go ahead and get on in and see how it sounds. Definitely a good sounding vehicle. And you also have the trim around here and around your radio and shifter console. So we'll go ahead and shut the door. Heated seats, 2-person memory. You have dual zone automatic climate control. Different zones. You also have the addition of a very nice analog clock. Almost has a purplish glow to it. And unlike the previous generation Hummers, everything feels really nice to the touch. No hard or very limiting use of hard plastics. Very nice feeling. Auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar, power sunroof. It's a very large sunroof. Electric traction control, 4-wheel drive, navigation, need the disc. I'll just hold on till you're gone. Same leather treatment on the center console. Driver information. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it off. I know you will have it. And when your plans unravel in the same, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So we're playing. And as you can see, this button right here, one touch opening of all the windows. Automatic as well. Can't roll it down all the way. Get the key box on the other window, but you see the point. And it's very quick. Just go ahead and cut it off. Same treatment everywhere. This back seat folds down. Extremely comfortable. Rear audio and air, rear heated seats. This new redesign is just beautiful. And in order to open up the back of it, it's a little bit different design versus the older H2s. You just unplug this one pin, lift up on this, and it just pops loose. So you don't have to yank it out and pull real hard in order to drag it around the vehicle. Real nice looking back seat from this angle. TVs in the headrests. These seats also fold. Same thing with the other one. Box in place. Very quiet. Full power passenger seat as well. Heated seats. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour in this very awesome truck. One of a kind. So glad I was able to get to check it out. So be sure to subscribe today and all that good stuff. You know, I'll have a lot more where that came from. I'm always looking on the prowl for new and unique stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up one more time and pull it up to the wall. Do an inside start up this time. Take care, guys. And to demonstrate the remote start feature, all you gotta do is lock it, hold down the button, simple as that.